Hi there, welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. We'll learn a very practical often used technique, capitalizing the first letter of every word in a string. Imagine formatting titles, headlines, or names dynamically. This skill will make that a breeze. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only know how to write the code, but also understand the logic behind it. Let's get started. Our task here is simple, but important. We need to ensure every word in a given string starts with a capital letter. For example, if the input is hello world, the output should be hello world. We'll break this task down into smaller steps, which makes it easier to tackle and apply to real-world scenarios like title formatting or data presentation. Here's the main function that handles the task. It's named capital letter. The function starts by splitting the string into an array of words using split. Then it iterates through the array, capitalizes the first letter of each word using toUpperCase, and appends the rest of the word using substring. Finally, it joins the array back into a single string with join. This straightforward approach ensures each word is capitalized efficiently. Let's break the code into its core components for a clear understanding. First, we use split to turn the string into an array of words. Next, for each word, we capitalize its first character using toUpperCase and append the remaining characters using substring. After processing all the words, we reassemble the string with join. This step-by-step process ensures that every word in the string gets the desired formatting. In this example, the input string is write a program. When passed to our function, each word is processed and the output becomes write a program. This demonstrates how the function works seamlessly to format text. Here's another example. The input string hello world is formatted into hello world. Both words are capitalized, showing the function's reliability in processing each word individually. In this example, we see the string the quick brown fox being transformed into the quick brown fox. Even with spaces at the beginning or end of the string, the function handles the input gracefully and capitalizes each word correctly. Here's the same function written in ES6 syntax. It uses an arrow function and let for improved readability and modern coding standards. This version is especially useful if you prefer to write concise and up-to-date JavaScript code. To summarize, the capital letter function processes a string step by step, splitting it into words, capitalizing each word's first letter, and then combining it back into a single formatted string. This method is versatile and can be applied in various real-world scenarios, like formatting names, titles, or any text. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. See you in the next one.